In this video, I will be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started. For this, just come into the home page of Facebook. To the leftmost top, you will be having the three lines icon. Click it. Here we will be having settings and privacy. Expand it and click on settings. We'll be having this account center below your account. Click that. In account center, at the bottom we will be having manage accounts. Click it. Just click on this manage. We'll be having here deactivation or deletion. Click it and we are going to deactivate account, so make sure that you are checking it. As it clearly says here, deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So make sure that you are checking on deactivate account and not the delete account. After that, just click on continue. It will ask you to enter your Facebook password. Just do that. After you enter the password, you need to just check the reason why you are deactivating your Facebook account. So you can just check that and click on continue. It has also got the option to automatically reactivate. You can just select that. If you don't want to automatically reactivate, you can simply check this. Your account will be getting automatically activated if you just log in. So after deactivation, you can simply log in and start using it again. So click on continue. So just click on deactivate my account and you'll be getting logged out. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.